Good morning, everyone. Happy Saturday and welcome back to the vlog and happy birthday if today's your birthday. It is about 10:30 and I just got out of bed and I think I'm going to make some waffles. I had so much fun making breakfast a couple days ago, so I figure why not? Why not go for it? And it was easy last time, so hopefully it goes just as well. Okay, so we have a cup of the dry mix. Oh yeah, I need to melt butter, so let me throw that in the microwave. I need 2/3 cup of milk, and by the way, I got a lot of shit on my video for not knowing that half of 2/3 is 1/3. Guys, obviously I understand that that makes perfect sense, and I probably should have just known that off the top of my head, but I was in a panic. Did you guys even watch that video? I had no clue what I was doing. There's no way I could use logic while in a state like that. So you can keep your comments to yourself. Thank you very much.
Mom.
Yeah, even my mother texted me and gave me a hard time for that one, so. Melted butter and honey, which I don't really measure, I just add it in there because I don't think that you can use too much of it. It'll make it taste so much yummier. And now we mix. Here we go again. Let's see what happens. And now we wait and see what happens again. I'm nervous all over again. Oh no, she's overflowing. No, don't overflow. No, we didn't have this problem last time. Why is this happening? Okay. She still looks good though. Okay, a little bit less this time. Oh, she's overflowing again. Why? This batter feels like thicker this time than last time, so I feel like that's maybe what is throwing off my proportions here. So I'm only gonna use a little bit in here. Okay. See how that goes. That just feels like not enough at all, but I guess we'll see. Oh, cat. What are you running around for? Yeah, I know you're hyper cat. This one looks good, but like small. Why am I so off? Okay, waffles complete and ready to go. Let's enjoy. Hitting the spot again. They're so yummy.
It's like a taste of your childhood.
I love it. Well, friends, Connor and I are off on our Saturday activity, and we are going to play tennis. I have no idea how to play tennis, but I have a cute tennis outfit, so I'm excited.
That's half the battle. Joe.
Exactly. And then Connor's friend Johnny is going to meet us in a little bit as well. I'll be able to get a little bit of practice in because I have no idea what I'm doing.
Yeah, exactly.
And probably once Johnny gets there, I will be of no use. Here goes nothing. I'll link all my tennis stuff down below because I just bought it, so I bet it will all still be available. Oh, there's my phone. Okay.
Let's do it.
And we're off. Wish me luck. Okay, so we got here a little late, so we actually have to wait a half hour for the next court to be available, but that's fine. We're just gonna chill and wait. It actually works out because our friend Johnny is coming, and so now he'll get more time. It'll be all good. Connor just told me that opening up these containers that our tennis balls came in was very satisfying, so he's gonna let me do the other one. Cracked. I bet it doesn't make the same pop.
Oh, no. There's gonna be a sealed lid under it.
Oh, under the plastic?
So take that part off, see?
Oh, I see.
And then pop it open like a...
Oh, that was scary. Love it.
Satisfying?
Yes. I'm not good at tennis. Here we go. You ever seen a Frenchman yell at a girl for not being good enough at tennis? But you're about to. Boys, excellent work. Woo! Johnny, battery died, but thank you. You taught me a lot, and I'll be better next time for you, I promise.
Thoughts on her first?
My first time ever playing tennis.
You have the next Serena Williams right there.
Totally.
Totally.
Grabbing lunch at Venice Beach more quickly, fish tacos all around, some beer. Perfect Saturday lunch. Back home now, just finished showering, and I cannot even believe that it's already 5:30. in the evening. Like, this day went so fast, way too fast for a weekend. I do not like when my weekend days go this quickly, obviously. But we are currently getting ready because we are going to a surprise party for our friend Tony tonight, which is gonna be really fun. We're going to backstage. They have like karaoke and food and I guess just sort of like a dark bar vibe. I don't know, I haven't been there before, but Connor has, so we'll have to see. I think I'll just like maybe sit outside after I do my makeup because being outside helps my hair dry so much faster. When I'm inside, sometimes it can take like quite a while to dry. Actually sort of strange, but I already did my full hair routine. I just showed like an updated version of that in a recent vlog, so you can go check that out if you're interested. That's really what the rest of our evening is going to be. I have no idea where this night is heading, how big of a night it will be, so it's going to be interesting for sure. Oh man, I do not feel like putting on makeup, to be honest, at all. It's been a very nice day so far though. Very chill. Tennis was fun, even though I have no clue what I'm doing, but I really do want to like learn and get better at it because I feel like it's a fun way to get some exercise in that isn't just like doing squats, which is never fun. So definitely going to want to do that during the week next week as well. Just after work, like go out there for an hour and hit the ball around. Get a little better because clearly I have no idea what I'm doing as of right now. I think that much is obvious. I don't want to drag people down every time they come and play tennis with me. That is no fun for them. Going to get slightly better, hopefully, over the next couple weeks. I'm actually very excited because tomorrow Connor and I are actually also buying bikes, which will be a fun little way to get some exercise in as well. Got to try to make it to the farmer's market tomorrow too. It's gonna be a busy start to the day there, I think. So I'm sort of hoping that tonight doesn't go too big on me. Done. Okay, here is tonight's fit. Just cute, comfy, and I'm leaving the camera at home. I will try to vlog on my phone a bit, but I'm not lugging this giant piece of metal around with me all night. So I will see you when I see you, and I will definitely be talking to you tomorrow. Morning everyone, it's Sunday and Connor and Molly kind of played together. Of course, did a terrible job of vlogging on my phone last night. I don't think I got anything, but that's okay.
Stage, though.
Yeah, we did some fun karaoke and yeah, it was a very good time actually, but we were out pretty late.
All over again.
Yeah, we probably, well, I guess we went to sleep like around like 2:45. Not too bad, but not great. And I did not eat, so very hungry. But it's Sunday, so of course we have to go hit the farmer's market. Main Street is having like a little street festival, so it's all shut down. Look at how cute. A little chalk. Beautiful live music. This is so nice. It's like a family thing. There's a lot of kids.
If you like what you're hearing, please feel free to drop in a donation.
Had to participate. Jill and Coco forever.
Yeah.
Back to the market we go. We should definitely get the ciabatta again. That was really good.
Really good.
Mm-hmm. Want to do like that in the pretzel buns?
Yeah.
Do you want a baguette as well? Or do you think this is good?
No, let's grab a baguette too.
Okay, sounds good.
We'll get all three.
Awesome.
Cooler so they don't
Oh, perfect. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Connor and I have a very strict schedule when we first get to the market. Have to get our bread because we don't want them to sell out of the stuff we want. And we have to get our fish. Although we have a lot of fish left.
I don't think we...
Maybe we don't need it. Let's look at what she has.
One thing.
Yeah. Maybe she has something special that we want. Yeah. Gotta at least stop by and see because we say hi to her every week. Got a good little haul so far. Finding a lot of good stuff today, as always. but I feel like it's a good time right now. Okay, these are the best cherry tomatoes, you guys. I'm so excited. Oh yeah, that looks amazing. Yeah, that sort of looks like the best one, I think.
I agree.
All right, our last stop is the flowers here. And these are the ones we got last week and they were so freaking pretty. So I'm thinking about getting the same things, but in like a pink color, because those are really pretty too. Farmer's market haul time. Also ignore our kitchen. It's so messy because we came home last night very late and made like late night food and then just immediately went to bed. So we did not clean up much, but this is what's gonna happen right after this haul. No. Okay, first up, some fresh flowers. You guys saw me pick these out. Just got some really pretty pink ones. Got a bunch of our usuals today. Our baguette. Also got some more of the chipotle garlic spread that we love. We found some bell peppers today, so we got 2 big green bell peppers. Connor got a grapefruit, which looks really yummy. We also got a big head of cauliflower because I want to make Connor these cauliflower nachos that I made a couple weeks ago. They were so good. 3 avocados. We got them sort of hard because we're not planning on using any today. Also got a ton of tomatoes. We got some Roma tomatoes as well as the cherry tomatoes that we got last week, which are just absolutely to die for, you guys. We still have some left here. I sort of want to make a pasta dish with them today. Need to try one. Quality control. Those tomatoes, they're unmatched. Okay, back to our bread. We got our pretzel buns as well as some ciabatta sandwich buns. And the last thing that we got, I believe, is some scallops. Our fish lady had scallops today, so I'm very excited about this. Definitely going to be.
Refrigerate that day.
Yeah, I agree. We should use these like ASAP. And there you go. That is our haul. So I'm gonna put all this stuff away, clean up the kitchen, and then we'll see what the rest of this day brings. Okay, got a nice little clean of the kitchen done. Sorry, the camera's like a little shaky. Okay. And now we're going to work on installing our Ring doorbell. If you guys missed it a couple vlogs ago, we had a strange situation where someone tried to break into our apartment. Break into, I don't know, is that a dramatic word? They just tried to walk in. Yeah, they weren't like trying to break our window or like.
Invited, so
no,
that's
definitely not invited. So not good. And right away, literally right after it happened, I got on Amazon and ordered a Ring peephole camera because I have been wanting to get one for a while anyway, just for extra security. And so that was finally the push that I needed to just like sit down and order it. So we're gonna try to install this. And just as a little update on that whole situation, basically we talked to our landlord and they are going to like install some additional security measures, we're pretty sure. We'll see what happens, how long it takes, all of that. But you know, a lot of people were very concerned, being like, you guys definitely need to move. And I don't think it's that dramatic. It's sort of a part of living in a place like Los Angeles. Sometimes weird things like this happen. It's just about like making sure that we have as much security as possible so that even if someone does try to come in, that we're always safe. So that's sort of where I stand on it, at least.
Yeah,
I don't feel like this urgent need to move because of that.
No.
So cute. Look at this. Check it out. We got some kazu nori for lunch. It looks so good. So we each got a 16 piece, and then of course we got some bonus. Some bonus pieces as well.
Cat.
What? Oh, she's going into the comfy spot right away.
Immediately.
Anytime it's open, she gets in there. Me too, Molly Cat. Oh, this looks so good though. I'm very excited. This is like a lobster roll and a yellowtail roll, I think. So good. Just working on folding some laundry now quickly. Sorry I haven't really, where can I put you? Maybe here? Sorry I haven't really followed up on the Ring doorbell. We're letting the battery charge because you have to obviously charge the battery first, and it's just taking a very long time. So we're just waiting for that. At this point, we'll probably end up installing it tomorrow just because it's getting later here. I actually don't even know what time it is though. Maybe 6:30. I have to tell you guys though, I am pretty sore from that tennis yesterday. Like that, my arms just really hurt, especially the arm obviously that I was swinging with, and my back, which is always fun. But pretty excited to be picking that up. I'm excited to like play more, learn more, because I'm obviously no good right now. So Connor and I definitely want to play at least one time this week, and we're going to buy bikes tomorrow too, which we're really excited for, so we'll be able to get that going. Just trying to come up with some more fun ways to be active because both of us are slacking on our working out, and you know, stuff like that. Always helpful though when it's a fun activity versus just like, you know, whatever. This day has been very chill though, as you know, most Sundays are with us. Just a lot of relaxing. We've been watching Succession, so we watched a couple episodes of that, and then we've just sort of been gaming a little bit. I don't know if you guys can hear Connor's game in the background there, but by the way, I'm getting so many questions all the time about when my next video will be. I do want to keep doing them. I just need to figure out the best way to record them and all of that stuff, because I was having so many issues with that. So I just haven't had a moment to sit down and really spend some time figuring that out yet. So that's the deal with that. Thank you for your patience. I'm hoping that we can get back onto a more regular schedule with those videos. They're also such a pain to edit, but I feel like I just need to get more used to how much I should record, like how long I should be playing The Sims in order to make it a normal length video. So it's just a whole learning curve. I appreciate your patience with that, and I do want to do more of that content. I just don't have a specific answer to when or how that will be happening. Okay, our pizza has arrived. This is from PBLC Trade, which is our favorite pizza company. It's so good. So this is the spicy marinara. We've never tried this before, so very excited. It looks amazing.
Branching out.
Yes, and then we have the spicy capicola over here, which is a must-have. I feel like I can never not get this one. It's just that good. And then we are watching this new Sandra Oh show on Netflix. It's called The Chair. It's pretty entertaining.
Yeah,
I'm enjoying it so
I
far.
like it too.
Yeah. 10:45 p.m. It is the end of the night, and it is definitely bedtime. I am tired, and this weekend went so fast. Way too fast. I'm so upset about it. But it was definitely a fun one, so thanks for coming along, you guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you later.